Want to clear the add-ins cache for Office Word, Excel and PowerPoint? Here we have shown how to do it. This is the Windows Club. Office apps come with an inbuilt option to clear web add-ins cache automatically on exit, start or restart. Here is how you can do it. Open Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Click on the File menu and click on the Options. Switch to the Trust Center tab. Click on the Trust Center Settings button. Go to the Trusted Add-in Catalogs tab. Tick the Next time Office starts, clear all previously started web add-ins cache checkbox. Click the OK button. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.